In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PayPal account. We'll walk through the exact path inside PayPal so you can close your account confidently. And I'll share a few practical tips along the way to help you avoid surprises. First, open your browser and go to the official PayPal website. Sign in to the account you want to close and make sure you're on the correct profile. Before moving forward, it's smart to take care of a few housekeeping items. Download any statements or transaction history you might need for your records, withdraw or transfer out any remaining balance, and cancel any active subscriptions or automatic payments linked to this account. If there are open disputes, limitations, or unresolved issues, PayPal may require those to be addressed before closure. Once you're on your PayPal home or summary page, look for the settings icon. It's typically a small gear near the top right corner of the page. Click it to open your account settings. If you're using a mobile device or the layout looks slightly different, the gear may be under a profile menu, but it will lead to the same settings area. Inside Settings, locate the section related to your account details. You should see an area labeled Account or Account Options. This is where PayPal keeps the controls for managing your profile, your account type, and closure settings. Interface wording can change from time to time, so focus on the Account section and look for the option that mentions closing your account. Next, select Close Your Account. PayPal will display a confirmation screen outlining what closing means. Read the details carefully. Closing your account is permanent, and you won't be able to access your transaction history afterward. You may be asked to re-enter your password, confirm your identity, or acknowledge that linked cards and bank accounts will be removed and that recurring payments will stop. If PayPal detects any remaining balance, active subscriptions, or issues that need attention, it will prompt you to resolve those first before allowing closure. When you're ready, confirm the closure. You should see a confirmation message, and you'll typically receive an email acknowledging that your account has been closed. Keep that message for your records. If you need access to past payments in the future, make sure you've saved statements beforehand because you won't be able to retrieve them after the account is closed. That's it. You've navigated to PayPal, opened Settings, gone to Account Options, and selected Close Your Account. Follow the on-screen prompts, take a moment to safeguard your records, and you'll be done in just a few minutes.